In adult court, you'll never see a probation officer until you've already been convicted or pled on the case.
Correct.
And it's because those services aren't going to be offered until there's been a determination that there's guilt. In juvenile court, from day one, when you show up in the courtroom, you're going to be assigned a juvenile probation officer, and there's going to be conditions that they're going to put in place to help rehabilitate the juvenile, regardless of what happens on that charge.
Yeah,
so services are offered from the get-go.
That's right. The juvenile probation officer is kind of there to see, hey, are this child's needs being met? Is there any issue at home or anything going on with the child that need to be addressed, right? It may even be counseling, or, you may have a child going through some mental health issues, things like that. So those services are available regardless of the outcome of the case, right?
Exactly, yes. And so they'll be sent for psychological evaluations. They'll make different connections in the community, sometimes to nonprofits that can help them. And there's sometimes where they're buying them food, sending them to the food bank, or helping them get clothes. It can be as basic as that in juvenile court. So you have to remember there's a lot of things that can land a child in juvenile court, but there's also a lot of external factors going on, and we want to make sure we address them all.
So let's talk about that. Somebody ending up in a juvenile court, is there an age that maybe is too young for somebody to end up in juvenile court?
Yeah, so the juvenile court's not going to have jurisdiction over children until they turn 10 years old. So we will see children that allegedly committed offenses between the age of 10 and 17. So until you're 10, you're not going to end up in juvenile court. You may end up in a different courtroom, but you won't be held accountable in a juvenile courtroom.